There are 63 million small businesses in India. Fewer than 20% have a proper website. And with AI in 2026, you can build one in 11 minutes and charge 15,000 rupees for it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Wealth AI, where we turn artificial intelligence into actual income. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to give you the complete system to sell AI built websites to local businesses, how to build them, how to find clients, how to close deals, and how to scale to 80,000 rupees a month in recurring income. No coding, no design degree, zero prior experience needed. Let's get into it. Here's what's happening right now. AI website builders. Tools like Framer, Durable, and Hostinger Horizons can generate a complete 5-page business website from a single text prompt. Clean design, SEO ready, mobile optimized, under 15 minutes. The businesses you're going to target: local restaurants, salons, dental clinics, coaching businesses, gyms. They have no idea this technology exists. Most of them believe building a professional website costs 40,000 rupees to 70,000 rupees and takes months. Web designers told them that, and they haven't questioned it. That gap is your business model. The distance between what AI can do today and what local business owners know is the entire income opportunity. You charge 12,000 rupees to 18,000 rupees. You deliver in 48 hours. They think they got a deal. You made 11,500 rupees in profit after all costs. That's not a side hustle. That's a skill gap arbitrage business. And the window to enter it early is right now. Here's exactly what you need to start. 3 tools. Total monthly cost under 700 rupees. Tool 1, Framer, AI or Hostinger Horizons. Both have free tiers. You enter a prompt like this: build a 5-page website for a hair salon in Pune called Studio Glow. Include a booking section, services page, about page, gallery, and contact form. The AI generates a complete site. You customize it in about 30 minutes. Tool 2, Hostinger Starter Hosting Plan. Roughly 100 rupees to 150 rupees per month. This is your only real operating cost per client. Tool 3, Canva Pro. About 500 rupees per month. You use it for logos and brand kits when clients don't have one. Total startup investment under 700 rupees a month. First project revenue 12,000 rupees to 18,000 rupees. That's a 17 times return on your first client. There is no other business in 2026 with economics this clean for a beginner. Here's what happened recently. A Reddit case study from May 2026 showed one person targeting 100 local businesses in their first month. Two converted to paying clients. Two clients at 12,000 rupees is 24,000 rupees in month 1. Add recurring management fees, that's 27,000 rupees monthly from 2 clients. This is the realistic starting point. Let me walk you through the exact build. Step 1, pick one business type: salons, physiotherapy clinics, local restaurants, fitness trainers. One niche means you build a template once and reuse 80% of it. Your second site takes half the time of your first. Step 2, open Hostinger Horizons or Framer. Enter your prompt with the business name, location, services, and required pages. Be specific. The more detail you give the AI, the less you have to edit afterward. Step 3, customize. Swap the placeholder images for real photos. Match the color palette to the business. Add the actual address, phone number, and booking link. This takes 30 to 45 minutes. Step 4, test. Open it on mobile. Check forms. Check load speed. Send the client a preview link before publishing. Step 5, host and deliver. Connect the domain. Publish. Hand over the login credentials. Invoice sent. Build complete. The entire cycle from first prompt to delivery is under 2 hours once you've done it 3 or 4 times. That's 12,000 rupees for 2 hours of work. Here's where most people stop. They build the site, then they don't know how to sell it. Here's a system. Open Google Maps. Search your niche in your city. Salons in Bangalore. Clinics in Hyderabad. Filter for businesses with no website listed, or businesses where the website link leads to an outdated page that looks like it was built in 2012. That's your lead list. Now, here's the move that closes deals. Don't pitch an idea, build the site first. Take a 90-second screen recording walkthrough of the completed site. Send them a WhatsApp message. Hi, I noticed your business doesn't have a modern website. I built one for you as a sample. It took me a few hours. Here's the walkthrough. If you like it, it's yours for 12,000 rupees. I'll also manage and update it for 1500 rupees per month. This works because the client doesn't have to imagine anything. They see their business name, their services, their brand. The sale is 70% done before they reply. Follow up once if they don't respond. Two touches is the standard. The Reddit data shows 2 to 4 closes per 100 outreach contacts for beginners. At 12,000 rupees per close, two clients is 24,000 rupees in month 1 plus recurring income every month after. Here's how this compounds. Month 1, build 3 sites, tighten your process. Month 2, create a Google form questionnaire, business name, logo, services, color preferences, contact info. This halves your build time. Month 3, bring in a Fiverr contractor for basic builds. They charge 4,000 rupees to 6,000 rupees per site. You keep 7,000 rupees to 12,000 rupees per site plus the recurring fee. You focus entirely on sales. At 10 clients paying 12,000 rupees each plus 1,500 rupees monthly retainers, that's 1,35,000 rupees in month 1 fees plus 15,000 rupees in recurring every month after. That's the full wealth framework in action. One AI skill, one system, real income. I've put my exact WhatsApp cold message template, the one that gets responses, inside the free Wealth AI newsletter. Link is in the description. Drop a comment below. What type of local business are you targeting first? Salons, clinics, restaurants? I read every single comment. Subscribe to Wealth AI. Every week, one tool, one video, one step closer to financial freedom. I'll see you in the next one.